1 minus 2 root 2 to the power 5 is equal to a minus b root 2. And we need to expand this bracket, use the binomial theorem to find out a and b. So here, the left-hand side then is equal to, so this a is 1, b is minus 2 root 2, that whole object there, and n is 5. So we've got a 1 to the 5 to the power n, plus nc1 is 5c1, 1 to the power 1 less than 5, which is 4, times the second term, minus the 2 root 2 to the power 1, wasn't it? Now we just carry on in that same manner, so it's 5c2. 1, these diminish, these powers, and the minus 2 root 2 increases. Then we've got plus 5c3, 1 squared, minus 2 root 2 cubed, 5c4, 1 to the power 1, minus 2 root 2 to the power 4, and then the last term is b, which is minus 2 root 2, to the power n, which is 5. So what have we got here then? We've got a 1. 5c1, let's just tap it in the calculator to make sure we're all happy. So it's 5 c1. We get 5. So that's 5 times the minus 2 root 2, that's that term there, plus, then we've got 5c2 times 1 cubed, so 5c2, 10. And then 1 cubed is just 1, minus 2 root 2 times minus 2 root 2, the minuses will go, 2 times 2 is 4, and then root 2 times root 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, so that's times an 8. Then 5c3, 10, so it's plus 5c3 plus 10. 1 squared is just that. Minus 2 root 2 cubed will be minus 2 cubed, which is minus 8, times the root 2 cubed, which is 2 root 2, isn't it, when you cube root 2? So we've got those constituents. Then we've got 5c4. Let's just get that then. 5. And then 1 is okay. Minus 2 root 2 to the power 4. Well, 2 to the 4, it's going to be a plus, because a minus to the 4 is a plus. 2 to the 4 is 16. And then root 2 to the power 4 is the same as 2 squared, isn't it? Which is 4. And then the last one, it's going to be a minus, because it's minus to the power 5. 2 to the 5 is 32. And then you've got 5 of these times together. So that will end up with 4 of them will give 4. Because it's root 2 times root 2. And the same again, 2 times 2, which is 4. Then another root 2 at the end, isn't it, for the fifth one. So what have we got? We've got 1 plus 80. Plus 80, and this term here, 5 16s are 80, 80 times 4 is 320, plus 80 is 400, and plus a 1, so that's that one, and that one. That was 80 times 4 is 320, plus 80 is 400, plus 1 is 401. And then we've got minus 10 root 2 here. We've got minus 80 times 2 is minus 160 root 2. And then we've got minus 128, haven't we? It's 432s, minus 128, lots of root 2. So what have we got? We've got 401, which we did before. Minus 160 minus 128 is minus 288. Minus another 10 is minus 298 root 2. So, what have we got then? A is equal to 401. There's A. And that was this number here. And B is equal to minus, but it's a minus there, so that's already taken care of. And we've got 298.